What is going on, guys? It's your boy Dreamer from GotBetterBeats.com, and I'm coming at you again with another video. This one is going to be a quick one. I want to show you guys how you can actually utilize the control room to have a reference mix without using any third-party plugins. So when I learned this, man, it was kind of a game changer, especially mixing for clients and stuff like that. I want to always have something to reference. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you an example with this beat right here. So what I did was I pulled this beat into my project, and I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then I'll show you how it works. This is a beat that I pulled into my project. What you want to do, you want to set the output to no bus. Okay, so the main thing you want to do, you want to set it up in your routing. You want to go up to the studio and audio connections, or if you want to hit F4, that's a quicker keyboard shortcut, and you want to go to your control room. So if you're using the outputs, the regular outputs, I went ahead and turned those off because I'm using the control room. So I set up a reference mix, but I didn't connect it to a bus. So anytime you do set up the reference and put it on no bus, that's where it's going to go to. And this is the button for it right here, which is C1. This is my main mix. This is C1. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And here you want to set up your main track to no bus. You want to go here where your sends are. You click the tab where the Q sends are, and you want to make sure this is clicked on to where it's that light green color. And I normally leave it at 0. That way, you want everything to, especially if you're trying to check levels and everything, you want it to make sure it's at that 0 point. So that way you can make sure the levels are good. You can make sure that your track is pretty much competing with the industry. And from there, and if you want to know if it's working or not, even if I solo this track, it's not going to play because I have it on mix. So I'll switch it over to Q Mix 1, and it's playing. So what I'll do is I'm gonna play my track, and I'm gonna switch it over back and forth so you can see that it actually switches over seamlessly. There's no clicks, pops. I don't have to open the track and find the plugin or do anything like that. It's pretty much right here at my disposal. And as you can see, man, it makes it very simple. And to be honest, you could actually set up more than one Q send if you want it, maybe to have, so you still have opportunity to create headphone mixes as well as a reference mix as well. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of what the control room can do. If you guys want to see more about the control room, let me know. I will make sure I do a video on that, because the control room by itself is a beast when it comes to Cubase, and Cubase has a lot of features that a lot of people don't know about. So just want to make you guys aware. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're using Cubase, make sure you use that reference mix before you have to really spend a lot of money on a third-party plugin when you don't need one. All right, peace. I'll see you guys in the next video.